There are a multitude of ways to add content to the Imaging Made Simple database. Scanning documents using the batch scan module, or using the quick scan feature within your computer viewer as you see here. Another method is using the import module, allowing mass quantity of scans or digital files of any type. These imported files may also contain metadata for inserting information within each of these search fields. To start, we want to create a record. Select the Add Records button. Enter any or all relative information. Save that record, and you'll notice in the Files Table department there are no records, no attachments. We now need to add attachment. Scanning a file if you have that feature on your computer viewer, as well as a scanner tied to your computer, or browse for a file on your computer or your server. Let's browse for a file. I'm going to add this TIFF, add a PDF. We can add more than one at a time. You can select a multitude. I even have a video in here. You can then open the attachment to verify its contents. If something was inaccurately brought into the database, you can still easily remove it as an attachment, as long as you have the user rights to remove data. We can view the video I just attached.
What lane you were driving in?
You can also edit the records. You can edit from a record level by selecting the Edit Record button, or you can edit from the actual file itself by selecting the Edit button here. This is also where you can select versioning. Maybe this attachment was version 2 of version 1. This one here could have been version 1. We might even give it a description. Whoops. Give a description as to what happened here. Defining further about what brought upon the changes from one version to the next, or simply use it for other reasons, depending on what your office needs and requirements might be for that type of situation. There's still another method for importing information into a record or creating a record from scratch, and it's using the import module. To use an import module, I'm showing you my desktop, and you would right click on any image within a file folder, your desktop, or on the server. Select the Send to IMS button or option. It'll launch the IMS wizard. It'll ask for your username and password if that's relevant, and you can select the Remember Me for each time. Select the Next button. We want to select which profile we're going to put this into. Answer those same questions again, any or all that's relevant. And within this screen, you can choose what you've just right-clicked on as the only option, the only attachment, or you can add additional information. And you can hand select just pieces of that information, or drag your mouse over many options and select all of them. Select the next button. It's wanting to confirm now on the last screen that everything looks great. Select Finish. Open up your viewer. And here we have the information I just sent using the wizard. Here are all those files that I grabbed. We can even do email. Open up Microsoft Outlook. You can select one email and print that email into the file. You can select any or all email. Temporarily save them somewhere on your desktop or wherever. Grab the whole bunch of them. Right click, send to IMS. There again you get your wizard. And remember, all of these are emails. I want to verify and finish. We can go back to the viewer to view those emails. And now, if you wanted to double click to open the image, it actually launches your Outlook. You can view the information. If there are any attachments within that email, you'll be able to have access to all the attachments as well. You could then edit and give further information about the emails. This concludes importing information into Imaging Made Simple.